All of you, please mute your microphones. Who is again and again unmuting? Maria, you're unmuting. Okay, so turn to page number 46 and let's do this. Number 1, and here the C part, we can see that here it is saying fill in the blanks with has, have or had. Okay, so we need to fill in the blanks with has, have or had. Let's read the story. We can see this is a story, kind of a story, and let's do this where we will use have, had or has. Okay. Last year Keshav was in a play school. Last year, it is saying about now for this time being, it is saying about now the last year. So last year Keshav was in a play school. The school, yes, as I can see that you have already given correct answer. Yeah. So the school had many indoor games for children. Had. Okay. Yeah. Good morning to all of you. And the first fill in the blank will be had. The school had, because it is talking about the last year things, isn't it? So last year Keshav was in a play school. The school had many indoor games for children, but it also, again, yes, it will be had, but it had no playground. It also will be had, because it is still saying about the last year things that happened. Okay. The school had many indoor games for children, but it had no playground. It had no playground. Keshav is now in the Spring Valley School. Now it is talking about the now things, means that today. Now the present things, now it has started talking about. Okay. So Keshav is now in the Spring Valley School. His new school, now it will be his new school has. Why has? Because it is saying about new school, not schools. The subject is in singular form, so it will be has. Yes, it will be has. His new school has 3 big playgrounds. Now, has. His new school has 3 big playgrounds. It also dash a skating rink. It is also saying about it, that is singular. So it also has a skating, yes. It also has a skating rink. It will be again has. It also has a skating rink. All good schools. Now it is saying about schools, that is in plural form, so we will write all good schools have a playground, isn't it? Yes, very good. Have. Now it is saying about the subject is in schools, that is in plural form, so it will take have. Yeah, very good. All good schools have a playground. Some schools, here is the same schools, some schools have a swimming pool. This is also will be have, because schools, that is in plural form. Some schools have a swimming pool and a skating rink also, and they also dash are rich libraries. Here it is saying they, that is also plural, so it will take have, isn't it? They also have rich libraries. They also have, yes, good, very good. They also have rich libraries. So let's read this once again. Last year, okay, let's read this once again. Look at the board. Last year Keshav was in a play school. The school had many indoor games for children, but it had no playground. Up to this it was saying about the things that happened already, so it has taken had with it. Okay. but it had no playground. Keshav is now in the Spring Valley School. His new school has his new school has 3 big playgrounds. It also has a skating rink. All good schools have all good schools have a playground. Some schools have a swimming pool and a skating rink also. They also have rich libraries. Okay, they also have rich libraries. So this is the whole story. All of you have done? Yeah. Or mute your microphone. Okay, all of you have done. Okay, now let's come to number 2. All of you have completed, so can I erase it? All of you have completed, so will I erase it now? Okay, you have done it. Very good. Okay, so I am erasing it now. Okay. Now, number 2. Last year, here it is started with the words last year, that is, we can see that has happened in the previous days, past tense. Okay, so last year we dash a centro, it will be we had, isn't it? Because last year, here it has started with the words last year, that is past form. Last year we had a centro. It was a small car. It had comfortable seats. It also will take had, because till now it is saying about the past things. It had comfortable seats. It had comfortable seats, but it will be had. It had very little space for luggage. Up to this, it is saying about the things that has happened already, means past form, because from the very beginning we have seen the words last year. Okay, so it will again be, but it had very little space for luggage. Okay, yeah, had. It had very little space for luggage. Now it is saying about the today's things, means the thing is happening now. Okay, now we dash a Honda City. Now it will be have. Now we have, because we is here in plural form, so we will place have. Now we have a Honda City. It is a much bigger car. It dash plenty of space for luggage. Now it will be it. It is a singular form. It has, isn't it? It has, right? It is in singular form, so it will take has. It has plenty of space for luggage. It also dash a powerful AC. It again will take has, because it is in singular form and it is talking about now. It also has a powerful AC, but we dash no garage to park our car safely. So here it is saying about we, that is in plural form, so we will write have. But we have, isn't it? But we have no garage. Yes, very good. But we have no garage to park our car safely. We are thinking of shifting to a house which dash a good garage. We are thinking of shifting to a house. Here the a house is in singular form, so the subject is in singular form, so it will take has, isn't it? So it will go like this. We are thinking of shifting to a house which has a good garage. Which has a good garage because the subject house is in singular form. Okay, clear? So let's recall this once again. Let's read the whole story with it. Last year we had a Santro. It was a small car. It had comfortable seats, but it had very little space for luggage. Now we have a Honda City. It is a much bigger car. It has plenty of space for luggage. It also has a powerful AC, but we have no garage to park our car safely. We are thinking of shifting to a house which has a good garage. Okay, clear? Okay, yeah, as I can see you have completed. Very good. Okay, very good. So now I will take your present. All of you write P or present in the chat box. Okay, and do not leave the class until I complete my class. Okay, or else you will be absent. Now write the P or present in the chat box. I will take present now. Okay. Okay, so I have taken your present and the chapter is also completed. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Yeah, I have taken all of your present. Bye.